Welcome back to day 12 of our 30-day Power BI series. So today we will dive into the tile slicer. So as I told you, this is a powerful feature in Power BI that enhance your reports by making filters more visual and user friendly. Okay. Power BI. So this is what I was talking about. So this is the output we have to get it. Okay. So from the style slicer only I have done. So what we have to do here is first let us look at our data here. So I have created a new data set. So the employee ID, employee name, employee designation, image location. So this is the employee IDs you see. This is the names, and here we have a designation and the image location where the image is. Okay. So how did I created this image location? So what you have to do here is, you should go to the in a Chrome tab. Okay. From here you have to create an account in OneDrive. All right. So my account, I already have an account in OneDrive. So that's the reason this is the page opens up here. The first step is you have to click on create or upload. So click on the file upload, and here whichever the image you want to upload it. So select that image, open. All right. So this will be uploaded here, and here see, here can you see there is a three dots here? Okay. So click on the three dot, you get so many options here. Click on the embed, and here scroll down, you get an option called copy the URL to embed image. So you have to copy this URL, come back to our Excel file and paste that. Okay, so this is how you get the link. So see, you cannot get the links from the Google Drive. So you can get the link only from the OneDrive. Okay. Yeah. So now let's go to our Power BI. So this is our Power BI. Here I'll remove this. Okay. I'll remove this. Let's create a new one. Yeah. Yeah. So you already know my data. All right. So I'll select a tile slicer. Yeah. Scroll it down. Okay. So this is our tile slicer. In the tile slicer, see, we have to add a field. So if we don't give a field here, you cannot format the chart. Okay, you cannot format the slicer here. Okay, so it's very important to give a field here. So go to employee name, drag it and attach it, give it in the fields here. Okay, so here we got, so this is a tile layout, we got it basically. Okay. Yeah. So now let's format our tile slicer. Go to the format. Yeah, so in the previous video, we have seen a slicer setting, that is your single select, four select, show, select all. So these are the options we have seen. Even the shape we have seen, the rectangle shape, rounded rectangle or snippet tab, both both top. Okay, so this also we have seen. And here we have a layout. In the layout section also we have seen, like if you want to see, when you click on a create a single column, you can give it in a single column as well. Okay. Yeah, so let's keep it a single column here. Okay. All right. So then scroll it down. Yeah, so here we have seen the layout as well. Now we directly go to the images here. So in the images, you have to keep it a default. Okay. So while giving a image, okay, just while you are giving a image location. Okay. So keep it a default, then drag your image location, drop it here. Okay. So I got the images on the screen here. So what you can do here is you can give it to a normal here. All right. Yes. Perfect. So now, here you can set a transparency as well for your images, all right, or the saturation. And if you want to keep your images blur, also you can give that. Okay. Yeah. So now, here, see, if when you go to a general, you have a title, so you can turn off this title. Okay, if I don't want just the employee's name here as a title, so I'll just off the title. And the effects, you can give a background effect as well. So let us give this effect background, and let's decrease the transparency. Okay. Yeah. All right, so now you can set a visual border as well. So like we give it a it's a black, let's turn on the visual border, it's a black. Okay. Yeah, if you want to add a shadow also, you can turn on the shadow here. All right. Yeah, either you can give it outside or inside shadow also you want to give, you can give it. Okay, where you want to give it, top, right, bottom, left side. um okay, where you want to give, which location, bottom, the shadow, or the right. So the position you can set for the shadow here basically. Okay. Yeah, and here you have a data format. You can apply the same shape. Here we have a rectangle. So I want a rounded rectangle. So you can give a rounded rectangle as well. All right. Okay. So this is how you can change it. So single column or single row, you can give it in a row as well. So how many, there are four images, right? So I'll give it a 2 here. Hmm? Okay. Yeah. And you can set it size, so you can just play around with the settings here. Okay, for the tile slicer with image. So stay tuned for day 13, where we will cover another exciting Power BI feature to take your reports to the next level. Okay, so let me know if you need help generating the image. So bye bye, take care, see you in the next video.